Some days are really windy, so any help will be welcome. It's necessary to learn some helpful details for very windy days in order to avoid some difficult situations. The first thing we should know is that turbulence is proportional to the square of the wind speed. Therefore, if the wind speed doubles, turbulence quadruples. The white curls in the sea, known as white breakers or white horses, reveal the presence of strong wind. When they show up in the sea, the wind is expected to reach 20 kilometers an hour in the place where they're observed. In calm sea, they show up a bit later. In a takeoff, there is always more intensity. The higher the sight, the more intense the wind. You can also expect stronger wind during a boxed-in landing. You need abilities to interpret the white horses. The closer to their vertical, the less visible they are. And as light fades, they also like to hide. Windmills always provide clues about the wind, since they rotate clockwise and they face the wind, although there are many exceptions. People sometimes get deceived by the speed of the turning blades of a mill, as they have variable pitch. They could turn with less wind and vice versa. But in any case, the leeward side of a spinning mill is a very turbulent side. In exception, where the mills turn without facing the wind, its revolutions are much slower than usual. The windier it is, the better your technique should be. Although there are many different ways to lift a wing, using just one riser is the best way. As it is very windy, a takeoff which would normally be non-turbulent may be turbulent now. If that is the case, it's better to exaggerate the maneuver until you get the so-called cobra effect. On occasions, because of turbulence, there is no other choice. If you need help, everybody must know what they're doing. If you are progressing slowly, fly away from the mountain at half bar and get the other foot ready on the second bar. But landing is still to come and the situation could turn out to be extreme. The ability to free yourself from the glider is a maneuver every pilot should know. Put this into practice in a controlled situation. Use one of your hands to undo the carabiner and the other to open it and set yourself free.